Well, I'm back to old camera. On phone, memory cards run out. So anyway, there's the gunner side rabbit. In clay I'm going to build that up and let it burn slowly. What I'm going to do with this rhubarb, I'm going to peel it, cut it into sections, then get it to light fry in some coconut oil, and then make a bannock bread. But first I'm going to get a brew on. Well, I've added that rhubarb to that bannock mix. I'm going to mix it in and get it up fire. Well, I've got my veg on there and my look at that, rhubarb, coconut bannock. I'm going to get into that now. It's falling apart a bit, but gorgeous, Harris. Well, in all honesty, I've burnt rabbit. I could get some meat off that and get it in this veg, but I fell asleep in hammock and let the fire go out. So anyway, that's where I'm going to go back. I've had a bit bannock bread, and it's getting a bit nippy, so I'm going to get back to bed. See you in the morning. Well, the rabbit is edible. So I'm going to try top dog. Morning. Well, it didn't turn out to be a camp actually. Shame about my rabbit, but after I'd had that bannock bread, I got down in here for 10 minutes, fell asleep. I think it was a bit overdone. I could have salvaged a lot of it and put it in that stew, but oh, Frederick ate it all. That seems alright this morning anyway, so anyway, I'm going to get up. It looks as though there's been a bit of a frost in Valley. So I've just been out in summer sleeping bag. I call this dog blanket, it's just cheap sleeping bag. So right, I'm going to get some coffee on. See you later. Well, that's what we're talking. Coffee and porridge. Lovely. Well, morning. I'm just going to finish this coffee and pack up. It's about 3.5, 4 miles home, so I'm glad it's not raining. Been a good camp. Quiet. But anyway, finish coffee, move out. Well, I never touched my veg. Well, that's where fire was. That come in as a handy little bench, that did, as a seat. Use that as a bench there. I am going to leave that up. And I'm going to stash tarp. I've come back here for a camp in summer. Only a bit of flat garlic, and the only thing I'm leaving here on my new shelving is the fox skull. Look at that ridge at top of that. Alien. So anyway, I'm going to stash tarp. There's my rubbish. I'm going to head back through wood. Well, the camp did come with a bit of a price. I've lost my old open-all knife. I put it in my pocket. Oh, right in corner there. Lost. It's no good looking for it in this garlic wood. I've had a bit of a pan round, but nah. So anyway, I'm going to stash my visqueen. I've got my dog on a rope. I'm going to retrace my steps through wood, have a quick mosey, see if I can find it. I'm not holding out any hope. So anyway, enjoyed this camp, been good. Till next time, bye. Now that's a Sunday morning breakfast.